In this video, we will be testing the timers. Let me create a file. Timer mocks. Oh wait. Timer mocks.ts. Alright, close this terminal. And let's say we have a timer. So with the set timeout. So I create a function export function timer. Now it has a callback. It can be any kind of function. And let's say we are logging something. So starting the timer and set timeout. Timeout is set to 1 second. And here let's say ending the timer like this. Callback. So yeah, if we provide a callback, what I will do, callback, then callback, otherwise undefined. Simple. So yeah, that's it. And now what I'm going to do, I will create a test file. So timer mocks.test.ts. Alright. Here what I will do, I will use the use fake timers API. So just dot use fake timers. Alright. And just dot spy on global and set timeout. Now what did I do? What is this spy on? So this will spy on your native APIs. Currently it is spying on set timeout API and it will give information about it. Alright, the set timeout is here in this function, and no matter where it is, if it is included in our test suite or test case, then it will give information about it. This is spy on. Now I will create a test case, testing my timer, and here let's say const timer test equals, okay, here we are doing like timer. Okay, so what I will do, I will directly call this, and we have a callback function as well. So yeah, simple callback. Like this. And now what I will do, expect set timeout dot to have been called times 1. Alright guys, I will be running this test now and see what happens. Look at that. This is spied on our set timeout API and the test case passed because the set timeout ran for 1 time. Alright, so that is how you can test your timers basically. You created a timer and you spied on it, and after that you are testing whether how many times it has been called. And the same way what you can do is that you can test your set interval function as well, and you can test how many times it has been called, same way. Or maybe you can simply test whether it has been called or not. So this is the way how you can test your timers. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and we will be moving on to the new module.